Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go Triple L Rustic Designs channel analytics. They have uploaded 25 videos. They now have 53.5k subscribers with a total view of 8,259,607 view. They are from US. And they created their channel since June 27, 2020. The grade they got is B+. And their social blade ranking is at 41,693rd. The subscriber ranking is 393,031st and then video view rank is 541,468th. They ranked at 67,960th in US. Next, the daily subs for Triple L Rustic Designs channel is around 377 with a daily view of 69,659. Now let's talk about how much money are they making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 70,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Triple L Rustic Designs will be $280. Then, monthly income will be $8,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $4,620 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $55,440. That is how much Triple L Rustic Designs makes from YouTube.